गोवा काँग्रेसीन सोमारा गोंय राज्याच्या राज्यपालांची भेट घेवन तिचे मुखार कांय मागण्यो मांडल्यो। 3 मेंबर कमिटी करप आयज मेरेन खंयच जाल्लें ना अशें मडगांवचो आमदार दिगंबर कामत उलयला। सरकाराच्या कारभाराचेर काँग्रेस खुश ना। दोनापावलच्यान RDX गोवा खातीर कॅन्सिल रॉड्रिगेश।
A delegation of Goa PCC and Congress Legislative Party met Governor Srimati Mudra Sinha today to point out to the issues which are facing the maladministration in the country. Who are the members who met? I would like to state: Shantaram Naik, Chandrakant Kodekar, Digambar Kamath, Reginald Lawrence, Nilkant Halankar, Jennifer Masrat, Pratima Kutinyo, Shankar Killaparkar, Vijay Beke, and Zoe Dias. 5 members from the organization and 5 members from CLP met. We made certain. I will give you the memorandum exactly, the text of the memorandum that we have given. But some in substance I will tell you. We have pointed out to the governor that under the Constitution, Article 163(1) very clearly says there shall be a Council of Ministers at the head to aid and advise, with the Chief Minister at the head, to aid and advise the governor in the exercise of his function. This system is not there at all. We don't have Chief Minister who is heading any Council of Ministers. So therefore we have asked, which are the matters in which governor has been given advice? If so, by whom? And what decision you have taken with respect to those advice?
जो आसा हो सरकार जाय तसो तें हँडल केल्लो ना। आयज सुद्दां सकाळी आमच्या घराडेन 200च्या वयर कामदार आयिल्ले जे चौगले म्हयने वयले, जेंकां आज साकून तांकां बंद केल्ले आसात। आयज तांकां आनी अशें हे जाल्ले कारणान बाकी सगळ्यो ज्यो आतां मायनींग सुद्दां इश्यू चालू जावपाक, मायन चालू जावपाक जाय, हाजे खातीर सुद्दां ज्या सरकाराचे प्रयत्न जावूं जाय आशिल्ले तशें जाता अशें आमकां दिश्टी पडना। हें आमी नदरेर हाडून दिलें।
आनी म्हाका दिसता असो प्रेसिडेंट 3 मेंबरांची कमिटी, एडवायजरी कमिटी अपॉइंट करपाचो प्रेसिडेंट आज पर्यंत हिंदुस्थानांतल्या खंयच्याच राज्यांत ना। हांवें तिका सांगलें की महाराष्ट्राचो चीफ मिनिस्टर वता, कर्नाटकाचो चीफ मिनिस्टर डेलिगेशन घेवन USAक वता आनी खंय वता, इंडस्ट्रियलाचें डेलिगेशन वता, पण दे ऑलवेज असायन द रोल ऑफ द चीफ मिनिस्टर टू समबडी एल्स, सेइंग दॅट ऑल द इम्पॉर्टंट फायल कितें आसा तें will be put up to Mr. X, कोण ताचो नंबर 2 नंबर 3. But that continuity in the administration there is there. Somebody is able to take a decision, somebody is able to hold the meetings and all that. So I said that, and ताणें सांगलें त्या भशेन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनाक अशें प्रोविजन कांयच ना.
Person of capability and capacity who has got some relevance to the government, not somebody's PA. Somebody's PA comes and just make a statement. See, the people of Goa, as an opposition, we would also like to know what is the condition of the chief minister. Continuously there is no any official statement. So we asked the governor. Governor was reluctant to tell me. She said she will talk to She said she will talk to him today. So she is not making any commitment. So I told her that we have to have an official statement from her, which is urgently required in the interest of the state. As an opposition, we are demanding it.